I criticize the system about oppression, calling on dictators and political leaders. Free up the power and give it to the people. No more wars, no fuss, no fight. History will forgive you if you make any change, but will not forgive you if you don't make any change. Tell me how we do without the system change. In African tribe we sing. In African tribe we sing. The Lord God said, let there be light, and there was light. Let there be peace, and there was peace. Lord gave the world life, power, and peace. War gave the power to some people. They invented war here and there. Hatred amongst people of the world. Love was buried behind layers of the earth. Love was a blessing to the world from above. The world neglected it, and love was lost. In African tribe we sing.